Hi, this is one of the many videos that we have in our how-to series. This particular video is how to use the staff area. So let's dive in. As you've seen in other videos and we've spoken about several times, doesn't matter whether you're in the point of sale screen or if you're in the appointment book, a lot of our buttons are options on the right hand side. So if you press staff, it'll take you to your login screen. It doesn't matter which one you're from. So this particular screen is, you only use select staff members. It'll tell you if you want to use the login lockout area. So if you can log in your staff, allocate breaks if you need to. Okay, we're going to give this particular operator a 30-minute break and it'll tell you when they're back. If you want to create a new staff member, press the staff list. It'll take you to the staff list area. Press insert, put in all their details. You want to put in their personal details if you like, payroll options, and any targets if you need. Press save, and you're done. If you needed to delete a staff member, select the operator, press delete. It'll ask you all these questions. If you've deleted, make sure it gives you the prompt to make sure that you've cleared all the operators. If that particular operator has got appointments in their column, it'll just make sure that you've cleared them. Then I'll give you just the one last, are you sure? You can also edit rosters from here. So this is not related to the appointment book. This is when the actual staff member's physical working hours. You can just double click inside the area and pop in someone's hours. If you have this bit up to date, when you log in, or when you select the staff button, or whenever you see this screen, these staff members will be correct for whoever's working on the day. If a staff member is not there on the day, select add staff and you can add it. While you're in this screen, you can print out the staff, stick it up in the back room. That's your roster for the week. Make sure you always select when the roster does start. Use whatever date your starting week of the roster is. You can SMS the staff their hours by pressing that SMS staff roster button. You can email the roster to managers, and this area it'll just clear all your hours, so then you can start fresh again to do the next week. You can also, if you were to press show ex-employees, it'll just let you see if you've got any ex-employees that you want to reinstate. Press Monique, change, allocator a book. Make sure you go to payroll and mark it a full-time. And as you've seen in the background, it's popped it straight into the book. We will go into ordering the appointment book, your rosters. We'll go through that's in the appointment book video. But you can rearrange the order once you've popped that staff member in. If you select this staff member, press info, just gives them a quick brief look at what they're doing for the week. You can make some edits, shows you their roster. You can email it to them if you like. You can also print it out. And that is the basics on how to use the staff area. Any other questions, please just give us a buzz on 1300 780 619.